Hey everyone, welcome back to NobleMindcast. I'm Alex Rivers.
And I'm Nova. Hi everyone. So happy you are here today.
Today, we have a really fun topic, English for shopping.
Yes, I love this topic because I love shopping.
Nova loves shopping a little too much, but that is okay.
Hey, shopping is research. I am just doing research.
Right, research. Sure, Nova.
Anyway, today we teach you real English phrases for shopping.
Whether you were at a mall, a grocery store, a clothing store, or a market.
These phrases will work everywhere in the USA, UK, Canada, anywhere.
And we will practice together with real conversations.
So let's go shopping in English right now.
Let's start with entering a store. When you walk in, someone might say,
Hi there, welcome. Can I help you find something today?
and you can say, just browsing, thank you. That means you were just looking around.
Or you can say, yes, please, I am looking for a jacket.
Or, actually, yes. Do you have winter coats?
Simple, easy, and very natural.
Now let's talk about asking for sizes. This is very important in clothing stores.
You find a shirt you like, but you are not sure about the size.
You go to a store worker and say, excuse me, do you have this in a medium?
Or, do you have this in a larger size? Or, do you have this in blue?
If they do not have it, they might say, let me check in the back for you.
That means they will look for it in the storage room. Just wait and say thank you.
If they do not have it at all, they will say, I'm sorry, we are out of stock.
Out of stock means they do not have it right now. It is sold out.
Then you can ask, do you know when you will get more?
Or, is there another store nearby that might have it?
Very polite, very natural, very useful phrases.
Now, let's talk about trying on clothes, the fitting room.
You take the clothes to the fitting room area and say,
Excuse me, can I try these on, please?
the worker will say, of course, here is your room. Or, how many items do you have?
Just count your items and say the number. 3 items, please. Or 5.
After trying on the clothes, you might want a different size.
Come out of the fitting room and say, excuse me, this is a little too small. Do you have the next size up?
Or, this is too big. Do you have a smaller size?
Next size up means bigger. Smaller size means going down.
These are very important phrases for clothing shopping.
Okay, Alex, let me tell you my shopping story. It is a funny one.
Oh no, what happened, Nova?
So I was at a mall in New York, my first time shopping alone in English.
And?
I found a beautiful dress. I wanted to try it on, but I did not know how to ask.
So what did you do?
I just stood there holding the dress for 5 minutes, looking at the fitting room.
Oh, Nova, you should have just asked.
I know. Finally, a store worker came to me and said, "Can I help you?"
And what did you say?
I said, yes, try, dress, room.
Oh no, that is not quite right.
The worker laughed very kindly and said, "Of course, right this way."
See, even with just 3 words, they understood you.
Yes, but now I know the right way to say it, and you will too after today.
The correct phrase is, excuse me, can I try this on, please?
7 words. That is all you need. Say it with a smile and you are done.
Now, let's talk about asking about prices. This is something everyone needs.
You pick something up and wonder how much it costs.
Go to the worker and say, excuse me, how much is this?
Or, what is the price of this, please?
They will tell you the price. If it is too expensive, you can say,
Oh, that is a little out of my budget. Thank you anyway.
very polite, very natural. Nobody will feel bad.
Or if there is a sale, you can ask, "Is this on sale?" Or, "Do you have any discounts?"
In American stores, workers will always tell you about sales if you ask.
Also, look for signs that say sale, clearance, or percent off.
Clearance means the last few items at a very low price.
Always check the clearance section first. Amazing deals there.
Now, let's talk about paying at the checkout, the cashier.
You put your items on the counter, the cashier scans everything.
Then they say, "Did you find everything okay today?"
Just say, "Yes, thank you," or "Actually, I was looking for something but could not find it."
Then they will say the total. Your total is $42.50.
You can pay by card or cash. If paying by card, just tap or insert your card.
If there is a problem, you can say, "I am sorry, my card is not working. Can I try again?"
Or, "Can I pay with cash instead?"
After paying, the cashier will say, "Here is your receipt. Have a great day."
And you say, "Thank you so much. You too." Simple and friendly.
Now let's talk about returning something. Sometimes you buy something and want to return it.
This is very common in the USA. Returning things is easy and normal.
Go back to the store within the return period, usually 30 days.
Bring the item and your receipt. Go to the customer service desk.
And say, "Hi, I would like to return this, please."
They will ask, "Do you have your receipt?" And "What is the reason for the return?"
You can say, "It did not fit," or "I changed my mind," or "It was damaged."
They will process the return and give you your money back, or store credit.
Store credit means you can use that money to buy something else in the same store.
Very useful to know, especially after holiday shopping.
Okay, let's do our practice role play. Nova, you are the store worker, I am the customer.
Perfect. Here we go.
Hi there. Welcome. Can I help you find anything today?
Yes, please. I am looking for a blue jacket, medium size.
Of course. Let me show you what we have. Follow me, please.
Thank you. Also, do you have any jackets on sale right now?
Yes, we do. These ones over here are 30% off today.
Oh, perfect. Can I try this one on, please?
Absolutely. The fitting rooms are right over there. Room number 3 is open.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help.
See how smooth that was? 8 sentences, and you got exactly what you needed.
Practice makes everything easier. And you are practicing right now.
That is something to be proud of, really.
Now, let's review all the key phrases from today.
Number 1, just browsing, thank you.
Number 2,
Do you have this in a medium?
Number 3, can I try this on, please?
Number 4,
This is too small. Do you have the next size up?
Number 5, how much is this, please?
Number 6, is this on sale?
Number 7, your total is, and then the amount.
Number 8, I would like to return this, please.
8 phrases. 8 phrases that work in any store in the USA, UK, or Canada.
Your challenge today? Go to any store this week, real or online.
And practice just one phrase. Just one. That is enough.
Every big journey starts with one small step.
And you are already taking that step right now by listening.
We are so proud of every single one of you.
If this episode helped you, please like it and share it with a friend.
And comment below. Tell us what was the most useful phrase for you today.
We read every comment, every single one. You inspire us every day.
See you tomorrow with a brand new lesson. Subscribe so you never miss one.
Subscribe and see you tomorrow.
I'm Alex Rivers. This is NobleMindcast. Keep growing your mind.
Keep growing your mind.